Let's prove it with some numbers. It's 78 in Santa Barbara and 87 in Gaviota. It's 80 in Solvang, 70 in Santa Maria and 73 in San Luis Obispo. The winds are strongly out of the northwest, so we saw those early clouds, and now that the breeze is up, it's mixed them out. Paso Robles warm at 87 degrees. Tomorrow's temperatures, I think, go down a little bit, but then the trend will be up after that. Paso Robles into the low 80s tomorrow. There will be a bit of a breeze in the afternoon, but out of the northwest. In Santa Maria, I think the winds are up again in the afternoon, talking about 20-mile-per-hour winds, maybe even 25. We're looking at daytime highs in the low 70s. San Luis Obispo, looking really good as well, 73 degrees at 1 and 2 o'clock. But again, there'll be quite some wind in the afternoon. Why are we talking about wind? High pressure is building back in, and the transition to high pressure dominance comes with the wind. Okay, this is what's left of Florence out here. You can see quite a bit of rain, and on top of that, thunderstorms and with tornadic potential as well. In the Richmond and D.C. area here, we have a tornado watch in the area through 10 o'clock tonight, local time there. And Pittsburgh, look at the big rain between Pittsburgh and Bradford up toward Lake Erie here in Cleveland. That's being identified in the excessive rainfall outlook. However, tomorrow it moves off, and then Wednesday, new thunderstorms breaking out across Minnesota and Wisconsin from this frontal boundary in here, which is going to try to come up to the north. Again, for us, it's high pressure building into the west, but it's going to take a little bit of time. Later on this week, interior daytime highs back into the middle 90s, coastal valleys in the 80s, and the beaches in the 70s. So nice little run of weather for us here on the Central Coast. Here's why. Again, you can see this trough swinging through. It's going to be the ridging that happens mid to late week that brings the temperatures back up, but not for a really long time. There's another trough that'll dig into the west, pushing temperatures back down a little bit as we get into early next week. No rain in the forecast. Let's take a look at the forecast. Overnight lows tonight for the Central Coast, lower 50. South Coast temperatures near 60. Some marine layer reformation late, but again gets scoured out tomorrow behind that breeze. So 74 in Santa Barbara and Carpinteria, 72 in Goleta, 81 Cuyama, 79 Santa Ynez, 77 in Los Osos. In the 5 cities, again, early clouds, but with the breeze, the afternoon temperatures and conditions look really nice. Lower 70s for AG, 69 Avila Beach, 66 Morro Bay, 82 San Miguel. And the trend in the extended forecast is up as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, then coming back a little bit for the upcoming weekend. Mid-70s for the South Coast. Paso Robles in North County and coming back up to 95 degrees. But before we worry about a heat wave, temperatures do ease off for Friday and Saturday and early next week. And San Luis Obispo goes from the low 70s into the low 80s by Thursday. Richard.